Generating revenue with good planning. For anything to work well, care must be taken to make firm, workable plans to execute it, and the same goes for website design. With a well thought out website design, you will be able to create a site that generates multiple streams of revenue for you. In fact, many websites turn into online wastelands because they are not well planned and do not get a single visitor. Gradually, the webmaster, the web designer, will not be motivated to update it anymore, and it turns into wasted cyberspace. The crucial point of planning your site is optimizing it for revenue. If you want to gain any income from this site, divide your site into major blocks ordered by themes and start building new pages and subsections in those blocks. Well, what do I mean? For example, you might have a food section, an accommodation section, and an entertainment section for a tourism site. You can then write and publish relevant articles in the respective sections to attract a stream of traffic that comes looking for further information. When you have a broader, better defined scope of themes for your website, you can sell space on your pages to people interested in advertising on your page. Go to any popular website, blog page in particular, you'll see all types of advertisement, but generally they're well placed and not just cluttered everywhere, but they're well placed and they're very effective. You can also earn from programs like Google AdSense and Yahoo and others. Search marketing if people surf through those theme pages and click on the ads. For this very reason, the advertisement blocks on your pages need to be relevant to the content. So if you deal in pet themes or dog accessories, stick to those themes. Fitness, stick to those themes. You get the picture. So a theme page fits that criteria perfectly. As the internet becomes more and more widespread, advertising on the internet will bear more results than on magazines or offline media. Hence, you know the term digital marketing. That's all throughout the internet now. It's digital marketing, whether it's social media, website, blogs, YouTube. Hence, start tapping in on this lucrative stream of profit right away. If you're looking for a tool that will help you grow your business online, Builderall has all the tools you will ever need in one spot. Quickly and easily designed tools, software. Check out Builderall. It's great software as a service. From web design, email marketing, you can create webinars, you can create magazines, so many different things. Lead generation, the list goes on and on. So check out Builderall. The link is in the description of this video. And they also have a free program and many different tiers of paid programs. So if you want to just get the gist of how it works, check out that free program for Builderall and create that website and help to grow your business online. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next one.